This is Steve Boudreau with Boats of Dallas. We're out here on this 2001 model Carver 444 cockpit motor yacht. No objections. Beautiful November day here for 2020. Just gonna do a walk around here. Nice big cockpit area. The boat just had a complete bottom job done last month. But you can see some areas like right there. I can't get much closer, like right there where that's an old gel coat repair. And there's a couple on the hull too that have probably been done a long time ago and now they're kind of bleeding through. The boat could use a compound wax on the exterior from the rub rail down probably. Walk around to the other side over here. Whole ID number. A little bit of chalkiness in there. Use it, like I said, a little bit of compounding and waxing. Rubber rail's got some scratches on it. You can see down there, there's an area that was probably a big scratch all the way down there. And that was probably done a long time ago, maybe 10, 15 years ago. Now it's bleeding through where the gel repair was done. There's another little one right there. And another one up front too. You got your windlass. It's got a high powered sound system in it, bow cushions. But we'll shoot another video here when I get up on it.